How to change Atomic Wallet password. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your Atomic Wallet application on your phone. Okay, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the option of More at the bottom right corner. Okay, here we go. Now you can see the option of Security here. Just tap on it. Now you can see the option of Change Password here. Okay, just tap on it. Now, before changing your password, make sure you read all these instructions and then just tap on Next. Then you have to enter your current password and make sure you remember your password. So after entering your password, just tap on Next here. Now you have to enter your new password and make sure that you choose a strong password for your account. Okay, let me enter a strong password. Here we go. Let's repeat the password that I have entered. Then just tap on Next and you can see that new password has been set successfully. So by following these easy steps, you can change your Atomic Wallet password. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.